Here's how to add or remove widgets on your Mac. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So there are two ways to remove and add widgets. The first way is by going up to the top, clicking on the date and time, and then your widgets will pop up. Or you can also take two fingers and swipe from the very edge of the right hand side of your trackpad and swipe left, and it will also pull it out. As you can see, two fingers, very edge, swipe left, the widgets pop out. Now to edit or change these, just right click on it and then press on Edit Widgets. As you can see, on the left hand side, there are a bunch of different options that you can choose from a list to a clock. You can just drag it on here to add it, and then you can see my clock is added. And to remove a widget, you can just drag it to the left, or you can just press on the minus icon. Now, if you want to add a widget directly to your Mac instead of this little pop-up, I'm going to show you how to do that. So right click anywhere on the screen, and with the newer models, you're going to see an option that says Edit Widgets. Now this is the exact same thing as the one I showed you earlier, but it will be applied directly to the screen instead of using this little pop-up. Since I have an older version of the Mac, I'm not going to have this option available. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I will see you in the next video.